Get ready to rock by adding realistic sounding acoustic drums to your tracks for free. In this video, I'm looking at 7 free drum kit plugins that you can add to your home studio music productions. I'm Zane, welcome to Simple Green Tech. Links to all of the plugins mentioned in this video are down in the description. Now let's get started. And the first free drum plugin on the list is Jamstix from Razoon. This is a virtual drummer. It's a slimmed down version of their paid plugin. In the free version, you get 8 drummer models, 21 style models, and 200 acoustic drum samples. You can create grooves within the plugin itself, and it can make your drum beats sound more natural. It can be used in multi-output modes. You can route each drum to its own track to give you more control over your drum sound. You can grab Jamstix free on both Mac and Windows. The next free drum kit on the list is SSD 5.5 free from Steven Slate Drums. This is a very nice free drum plugin. It comes with 3 kits and several grooves. You'll get all of the features of the full plugin, but access to only one of the deluxe 2 kits. But that kit also comes with 3 kit presets. You can route the drums in multi-output mode for even more control over your sound. And if you're after great drum sounds, give the Steven Slate SSD 5.5 drum plugin a try. It's available on Mac and Windows. Up next is an interesting free drum plugin. This is Organic Calfskin Kit. This is a Rompler style plugin, and by default it comes with a fairly dry sounding kit, but you can sign up to their website and they have several other kits that you can load into it. You get 3 versions of this kit, one that's played with sticks, another one that's played with mallets, and another one with brushes. You can use multi-output with it and send the drums to their own tracks, and it even has overhead and room mics too. You can get this one on Mac and Windows. Before I get to the next free drum kit plugin on the list, I just want to ask if you're enjoying this video so far and getting some value out of it. Can you please give it a thumbs up? It really helps my channel out and I appreciate it so much. Now the next free drum plugin on the list is Power Drmkit 2. This is a virtual drummer style plugin that offers you the realistic sounds of a drum kit. All the samples have been specially recorded and processed, making them ideally suited for use in pop, rock, and metal productions. Power Drmkit 2 also includes some decent grooves that provide a good starting point for your songs. It can be used as a multi-output instrument, and you can get this one on Mac, Windows, and Linux. The next free drum plugin on the list is Spitfire Labs Drums. Spitfire Labs has several high-quality instruments in this collection, including this one. Spitfire Labs drums was recorded using top-of-the-line mics. You get a very nice sounding acoustic drum kit with this plugin, and it's available on both Mac and Windows. Next on the list is Pandy drums. This is an acoustic drum rompler with a kick, snare, 4 toms, and a sub-blower, so you'll need to use another plugin for your cymbals. Every drum has 6 velocity layers and up to 10 random samples, giving you some variation in your play. There are 2 versions of this plugin, the stereo version, which will output all of the drums to a single stereo track, and the multi version, which allows you to use multi-outputs to send the drums to their own tracks. You can get Pandy drums on both Mac and Windows. The next free drum kit plugin is the Cakewalk drums that come with Cakewalk by BandLab. If you already have Cakewalk, you probably already have this plugin if you chose to install the add-ons. It's a fairly dry sounding kit, but you can add compression and EQ to take things up a level. Also, if you have this installed, you can use it in other DAWs too, so you're not stuck with just using it in Cakewalk. This one is available on Windows only. And if you want to check out even more free VST plugins, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube recommends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching for Simple Green Tech. I'm Zane, keep creating, and we'll talk soon.